Hello, my friend. Welcome to the English Corner by Kay. Have you ever been somewhere unfamiliar and suddenly realized, I have no idea where I am? Don't worry. Today, you're going to learn exactly what to say in that situation. Welcome back to Day 3 of our Everyday English series. If you haven't watched Day 1 and Day 2 yet, I highly recommend checking them out first. You can find them here. Today, we're going to practice 50 useful English sentences for asking for directions. Imagine you're in a new city. You need to find the train station, a hotel, a restaurant, or maybe just the nearest bus stop. You'll learn how to ask for directions, understand the answer, clarify what you heard, and respond naturally. And here's today's challenge. Don't just listen. Imagine you're actually standing on the street and use these sentences with me. Listen, repeat, shadow. And when you finish, tell me in the comments, how would you ask someone for directions? I would love to see your answers. Okay, ready to find your way? Let's begin. Relax. Listen. Speak. Now, we are going to ask directions. Excuse me, could you help me? Excuse me, could you help me? I'm trying to find the train station. I'm trying to find the train station. Could you tell me how to get there? Could you tell me how to get there? Is the train station far from here? Is the train station far from here? Am I going in the right direction? Am I going in the right direction? Which way should I go? Which way should I go? Should I turn left or right here? Should I turn left or right here? Is there a bus stop nearby? Is there a bus stop nearby? Could you show me the way on the map? Could you show me the way on the map? I'm a little lost. I'm a little lost. Do you know where the nearest ATM is? Do you know where the nearest ATM is? How far is the city center from here? How far is the city center from here? Can I walk there from here? Can I walk there from here? Is it within walking distance? Is it within walking distance? Would it be easier to take a bus? Would it be easier to take a bus? How long does it usually take to get there? How long does it usually take to get there? Is there a landmark I should look out for? Is there a landmark I should look out for? Wonderful. We did it. We asked for directions. Now comes the next part, understanding and clarifying directions. Let's do it together. So, I should go straight from here, right? I should go straight from here, right? Do I turn left at the traffic lights? Do I turn left at the traffic lights? Should I take the second street on the right? Should I take the second street on the right? How many blocks should I walk? How many blocks should I walk? Do I need to cross the road? Do I need to cross the road? Is the bank before or after the supermarket? Is the bank before or after the supermarket? So, the station is next to the shopping mall? So, the station is next to the shopping mall? Did you say I should turn right after the bridge? Did you say I should turn right after the bridge? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you speak a little more slowly? Could you speak a little more slowly? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you point me in the right direction? Could you point me in the right direction? Is this the road that leads to the station? Is this the road that leads to the station? Am I supposed to cross the bridge? Am I supposed to cross the bridge? How will I know when I've reached the right street? How will I know when I've reached the right street? Is it on the left or on the right? Is it on the left or on the right? So, I go straight, turn left, and then walk for 5 minutes? So, I go straight, turn left, and then walk for 5 minutes? Amazing! You're doing great. We've asked for directions, and we've learned how to understand and clarify them. Now let's put everything together and practice getting there.
Ready? Let's finish strong. Thanks, I think I understand now. Thanks, I think I understand now. I'll follow this road and turn left at the corner. I'll follow this road and turn left at the corner. I'll check the map just to make sure. I'll check the map just to make sure. I think I'm getting closer now. I think I'm getting closer now. Is that the building you were talking about? Is that the building you were talking about? I can see the supermarket now. I can see the supermarket now. I can see the supermarket now. I think I found the street. I think I found the street. Is the entrance around the corner? Is the entrance around the corner? Excuse me, is this the entrance to the station? Excuse me, is this the entrance to the station? Yes, this is exactly where I needed to go. Yes, this is exactly where I needed to go. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. You saved me from getting completely lost. You saved me from getting completely lost. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Have a great day. Have a great day. Thanks again. Take care. Thanks again. Take care. Amazing job. You've made it to the end of day 3. Today, you practiced 50 sentences for asking for and understanding directions in English. But here's your final challenge. Imagine you're lost in a city right now. How would you ask someone for directions? Try saying 3 sentences out loud without looking at the screen. And if you can, write your favorite one in the comments. If you're completing the series with us, don't forget to tell me. Day 3 completed. Only 2 more days to go. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Because every sentence you speak is one step closer to speaking English with confidence. I'll see you in day 4. Bye.